I left a little bit of that red meat on it. It's red when it's raw. When it cooks, it's brown. It should add some fishy flavor, so I can handle that. Some people don't like it. But yeah, here goes. Okay. So I like this fish a lot. To me, this is a fish lover's fish. This is not fish for the people who don't like to taste fish. Mahi has flavor. I wouldn't call it fishy, but it has some flavor. It's got a little bit of fish flavor. Has good texture. It flakes. To me, this is in between a white fish and a really fishy fish like mackerel or swordfish or something like that. It's kind of an in-between fish. So it flakes, it breaks apart into pieces, but it has some thickness to the meat.